This is the Vintage Jewelry Haul / auction preview for Wednesday, August 9th and Friday, August 11th. Auctions are at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern on this channel. And if you'd like a free alert when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up, I will send you the link for free. Just text Hello Dawn to 917-809-7250. There is no spam. It is my real phone number. And if you are a reseller, you can actually see what things go for, real auction hammer prices. These are all the things that I didn't get to last week. So these are coming back. These will be in the list, in the description below the video. Everything will be in order and numbered in the description below. And we'll start with these, and then we're going to move on to everything from last Sunday's video. If you haven't seen last Sunday's video, I will put the card up here and the link also in the description box below. And these are all the things that I got last week. And we'll start with the cross. Again, the order that I'm doing things in is not the order that they'll be in the auction. That'll be in the list below. This is CZ and sterling. It's beautifully made. It has the maker's mark there, as well as the 925 silver mark. Nice bail on that. That'll be coming up. This guy, he had the card. When I bought him, he had the card that said he was from 1983. And she didn't give it to me. Somehow she did not give me that card, and I didn't notice. So he will be for sale under the video. First come, first serve. If you like him, he's going to be 20 bucks. This is beautiful, really good quality sterling silver, and not topaz. I thought it was blue topaz. It is testing as glass, but look how nicely they are made. These I'm happy to report because I love them so much, and they're such large stones, and I was so sure when I picked them up. These are in fact peridot, and they're beautiful. Look at them with the light through them. These were such a score. These are wonderful, and they have their original butterfly clutch backs too. So super nice. These citrine and smoky quartz, salpata, beautiful. Very nice yellow citrine in there. Sterling and tiger eye, beads and nuggets, beautiful. Dyed howlite and crystal and stainless steel with the maker's mark. I just loved the style of this. I like that the clasp is good for enhancers and such, so you can do a lot of different things just with the howlite necklace. These I wanted to keep. Look at the detail. It's like, I think it's Mary, actually, the more I look at it. And it's on both sides. Just beautiful. And very pretty on. These, somebody wrote in and said they look like Lois Hill. They're just 100% gorgeous. I don't care who made them. They're beautiful. They look like diamonds. They are CZ, but look at how well they're made with the mill grain and the graduated and everything. This gorgeous chain. Nice old spring ring clasp. Look at the quality. I so expected this to say St. John or Escata or something. It doesn't say anything. It's better than Monet and Trifari and all of that. It's very, very good. The rope with the tassels needs no explanation. Awesome. Starting out very reasonably. The videos are getting more views. And every time the videos get more views, I can start out more reasonably. These are wonderful. These I'm going to give away. I give away cash and prizes during every auction, so those will be a giveaway. This, love this. The chaps. Faux turquoise, so cool. Really great on. The aqua, this is aqua, and Larimar in blue glass. Stunning. And then finally these, the faceted turquoise in sterling. Beautiful dangle earrings, really lovely to wear. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you at the auction. Bye.